Hey Canva friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool to share with you. We're diving into Bulk Create using Canva Sheets. If you've never used it before, this feature will absolutely blow your mind. It's fast, it's smart, and it can save you tons of time. Let's jump right in. So I've got this Canva sheet ready. It tracks a TikTok ads campaign where I'm promoting 4 different appeals. The table includes everything: impressions, clicks, orders, deliveries, and even the sales earnings for each product. Now we're going to use that data to automatically generate visuals with Bulk Create. Here's how it works. First, select your entire data table. Once that's done, head over to the Actions tab and click on Bulk Create. Canva will instantly detect your selected range. If it looks good, hit Continue. Now we pick a template. For this example, I want each design to include a product name, a picture, and the earnings at the bottom. I just copy that layout and paste it into the template editor. Next step, we connect our content. Click on the product name, and at the top toolbar, hit Connect Data. Select the right field. Do the same for the earnings and the product image. It's really intuitive. Once everything's linked, hit Create for Designs. And just like that, Canva generates a new column in your sheet with links to each unique design, one for every product. And yes, Canva even creates all 4 custom designs in a separate file for you. Let's click on one of those links. And boom, there it is, a beautiful ready-to-share graphic showing off my campaign details, all generated in seconds. Honestly, it's one of my favorite features for marketers, creators, or anyone working with multiple products or content pieces. It's fast, easy, and super convenient. I really hope this walkthrough made Bulk Create a little less mysterious for you. If it did, leave a comment below and tell me what you'd like to learn next in Canva. And of course, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss a Canva tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.